Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to send an Amazon package to a different country. Follow these steps carefully to avoid errors during the process. Begin by opening your web browser and going to Amazon.com. Sign in to your Amazon account using your email and password if you are not already logged in. Once you are signed in, locate the Accounts and Lists option at the top of the page. Click on it to open a drop-down menu and then select Account from the list. This will take you to your account page where you can manage all your account details and preferences. On the account page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Ordering and Shopping Preferences. Under this section, click on the option called Your Addresses. This will open a page displaying all the saved addresses associated with your account. To add a new address for another country, click on the Add Address button. A form will appear where you can enter the details of the new address. Start by selecting the country where you want the package to be delivered from the drop-down menu at the top of the form. Then, fill in all the required fields, including the recipient's name, street address, city, postal code, and phone number. Double-check all the information to ensure it is accurate. After completing the form, click on the Add Address button to save the new address. Now, when you place an order on Amazon, you will see the newly added address as an option during the checkout process. Simply select this address and Amazon will ship the package to the specified country. Keep in mind that shipping to another country may involve additional shipping charges, taxes, or customs fees, depending on the destination and the product. Review these details before confirming your order. That is how you send an Amazon package to a different country. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this tutorial.